Okay, let's go to the assignment number 2, Python structure. So first question is using the nested list to store employee data. And as we can see, we have employee data here. They have name, age, and department, 3 attributes, and then we have 3 employees that need to be stored inside of a nested list. Okay, then we do it step by step. First, let's create a list and assign it to employees. So we create a list by writing 2 square brackets. It's just 1 square bracket, open and close. And we assign it to a variable called employees. Use the equal sign. And then the second step is create 3 nested lists in employees to store the information of each employee respectively. So what we do here is we append child inside employees list. So first we append the first list contains the information of the first employee, name, age, and department. And we append this list inside of the employees list. And then we append the second employee's information inside employees list. And then we append the third employee's information in the employees list. Now, if we print employees, let's remove this first. We will have the nested list. This nested list has 3 child lists, and each child list have 1 employee's information. Okay, let's go back. And then, oh yes, let's print the employees variable. And then we print the details of all employees in a representable format. Let's remove this. Let's just comment out this and comment out this. So if we want to read all the employees information inside the employees list, then we use a for loop to go through every single list inside the parent employees list. Okay, for employee in employees list, for each employee, we print the name of it. The name was stored in the first position of each employee list. So the first position is index 0, and the second position stored age, and the third position stored department. So we print them 1 by 1. And in this case, we will be able to have, let's run it, to print all of them in a readable format. If you want them to be more readable, you might be able to also print \n just to make them have a little line break between them, so it's even more readable. Okay, next step, print only the detail of Lisa. Okay, no problem. So Lisa, we can see Lisa's on the second position of the employees list. The second position, which is position 1, because we start from the 0. Now we just need to print employees 1, then we can get all the information of Lisa. That's wrong. So Lisa, 29, marketing. So in this case, we have finished question 1. Question 2. We stored company employee table data using a list and a dictionary. So the same data, now instead of storing them in a nested list, we're storing them in dictionary and list. So first step is the same. We initialize an employee list. The second step, we start to append each employee's information. So we also append them 1 by 1. But this time, instead of appending a list, we're appending a dictionary. A dictionary is, the syntax is curly braces. And the dictionary is a number contains a number of key pair values. The key is always going to be a string. The value can be string, can be number, or something else. So we append the first employee's name as John Mikey, age as 38 years old, department as sales department. And we store them, append them one by one. Now, let's print the employees variable and we see what's going on here. Okay, print. So this is the employee dictionary nested component object. So as we can see, all the information inside, but instead of having 3 lists, we're having 3 dictionaries that stores 3 employees' information. Their name, age, and department, all of them. And then the next one is print the detail of all employees in a representable format. Okay, now we go back, we're coming out this one. Remove this one. Okay. This is going to be the way to print out all the readable formats. So same thing for in the employee, the very outside parent list, we go through all the children of it, and for each children we run another for loop. That's because they're dictionary, so dictionary has a key and a value. We use key and information to represent them, and we need to use items function instead of dictionary to extract them to 2 values. And then we'll print the key column, the value. In this case, we'll be able to get those informations, print them like this, print the key column values. And after that, after each person is finished, we print a \n as a line break, make it more readable. So this is the result. Okay, let's go back. And the next step is to print only the detail of Sujan Patel. Okay, Sujan is the 3rd person. Same thing. 3rd person is on the 2nd place because we start from 0. So we just need to print the key value pair in the employees 2 in the 2nd index, which is 3rd position. Let's print it. Now we have Sujan's informations. Okay, that's it. That's my assignment number 2.